guys, SUDDOTH here, back again with SUDDOTH 1. We're driving in the R34 GTR, the black one that we just got. So as you can see here, we got SUDDOTH 1 driving. We're going to the DMV to get this baby titled, and right now she's got a little over 104,000 kilometers.
It's like 65,000
miles roughly. 66,000 now maybe. Yeah, so we're driving. You can't barely tell from in here, but these windows are tinted black, but you can see through them pretty good from the inside. Hopefully I don't get in trouble with that, but I mean, most cops are cool unless you're like doing something no good or whatever. I mean, it's a reason for them to pull you over. So
I love these back roads here in Pennsylvania. I mean, I feel like I'm on a fucking road course.
yeah, dude. I'm gonna show you guys this stuff here. So you're pretty much like going up in here. Yeah, but we're gonna go ahead and start heading to the DMV now. We got the title, we're getting that done, and then we're gonna get it inspected. So we got a day before work. We both work at 12:30. So
Luckily, where we live, it only requires safety inspection, which is like pretty much like check your horn, fluids,
tires,
okay, your brakes, your tires are good, and just a little basic maintenance for safety that they check. No emissions where I live, so that's awesome.
This car is really loud, so I don't know if you can hear us pretty good.
Well, they can hear that.
So we're gonna go ahead and get off here soon. We'll meet you guys at the DMV and see you in a little bit. What is going on, guys? SUDDOTH here, and we are back today. We're going to be getting some brand new Nismo taillights put in. These are the stock ones. And over here we have some aftermarket LEDs, which are kind of getting a little pink faded. You can't really tell at the dark, but
These look like the Nismos.
but we're going to get some real Nismos put on this. So as you can see here, SUDDOTH 1, you know, we got the new R34 black GTR. We're gonna go ahead and paint this bottom lip gloss black to match. I think that would look a lot better. And then we're gonna get this Aero V-Spec lip down here put on that car once it comes in stock. We already ordered it, just hasn't come in yet.
We literally, just to give you guys an idea, we ordered it in October last year and it still has not come in. Sometimes these parts are easy to come in and quick, and sometimes they aren't. Now, we thought that they were in stock, but I guess there was an issue with stock count at Nissan in Nashville. But yeah, it's such a beautiful view. It's crazy. As you can see, this is the wrapped R34 GTR V-Spec. We did put the carbon hood back on, and it is looking hella fine.
We got the Z-Tune fenders from Cybin wrapped with the regular color now, so it matches the car a little bit. I mean, it looked okay with the carbon fenders. It's just when you have a carbon hood, carbon fenders, regular bumper, and regular car, it just looks a little off. So,
But both cars have the LMGT4s.
10.5.
That's the matte black. This is the gloss back. I love the gloss black. The gloss backs were an older year
It just came out with them, I think, 2019.
They might be coming out with the new ones. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and knock these out real quick. Shouldn't take long to do that. And I guess whichever one we want to do first.
Go ahead and probably do the V-Spec first.
R34s, the V-Specs. All right, cool.
Cool, man.
So catch you guys in a little bit.
The trunk open. We have to take off all the clips. There's a bunch of them, you know, here as you can see. All
Pretty
these
easy.
little clips here.
The newer GTRs have these spin clips where you just spin it.
Yeah, just
And then you
spin.
get your nail right in between and just pop it out.
And all these pretty much got to come out. And you can see he's starting to do that here. So once we get that out, we'll go ahead and show you what the taillight's pretty easy to take. All right, guys, so we got the OEM taillights back here. We haven't used those in a little bit. We got the LED aftermarket ones. We just got them taking these out. Now on the back side of this, you have to use a screwdriver and basically take off all the little pieces so we can take the casing off. And then we're gonna go ahead and unbox the Nismo tails and get that screwed in. So we'll check back in. All right, guys, once you've gotten all your bolts out, then this piece comes off. And then the casing comes off the back. So this whole piece will come out, and then you have the actual taillight cover. So, and then this is where you're gonna go ahead and get that put in the Nismo taillights. So I think that goes over here, Mike.
This one.
And all the lines match up.
Yep.
All right, so now we got to get some bolts and bolt her in. We got all the bolts in. One right here in the middle.
We decided not to use the black ones. We had some extra bolts from our other headlights, from the OEM ones that we had.
Yeah, these black ones, they're like really tiny and they strip really easily. So we're not even gonna use those.
We have fresh.
Nismo.
These things
LED.
are so sick. Wait till you guys see it, what it looks like on the car.
Yeah. All right, cool.
One down, one to go.
One more to go over here. Taillight number 2 done.
Clearly you can see.
All right, guys. As you can see, this is the old LED style Nismo. Man.
Wait till you see what it looks like when we turn it on.
Yep.
I grab the other taillight.
Yep. Right here. All right, guys. So now we got the taillights. Let's go ahead and clean this up, though. Now that we got this out, I'll go ahead and grab a microfiber.
Just get like a quick one. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Sure. Excuse me. All right, so we got the taillights. Push this through the hole, pull the slack. That's it. Pretty sure. Got the gasket.
Go more. Okay, number 1 is done. Put your 4 bolts.
I will get them. Couple
Tighten.
bolts right here. And then you basically bolt that down.
Where's the socket?
Go ahead and turn the light switch on. I'm gonna go ahead and lower the brightness here. Oh yeah, look at that. Looks so much better. All right, guys, so we got the brakes, as you can see here. LEDs. Looks so nice. This camera does not do justice. So we got the black taillights. They are coming off right now. Here's the OEM one, dirty. As you can see what the OEM looks like. Doesn't have any LEDs in there. So the one's over here, getting the other one apart. We're gonna go ahead and get the black car's taillights installed here. All right, guys, so this is the taillight area where you actually take the taillight off. When you clean it, looks pretty good. But this is what it looks like when you take that thing off. It is super dirty. You literally got all that dirt and everything. That's gonna get cleaned up. Now in the black car, we have a big subwoofer in the trunk. That's how it came. So we can't really access these areas. We literally have to like hold this back a little bit without breaking it. Put your hand down in there. Get your hand over in here, you know, and get behind each little spot to get these little taillights out. So that's what was more difficult on this side. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get these LED Nismo taillights installed here next. All right, guys, so we got the Nismo taillights up here. This is the part number for anyone interested. So always got one bolt that doesn't want to come off, that starts dripping. So Mike's gonna grab a flathead. We're gonna try to get this last bolt off, and then this will come off. We'll go ahead and get this started, get this installed. Guys, so these are the OEM tails. We are done swapping them. As you can see, brand new. Go ahead and take these downstairs, put the LEDs on the car, and they look so good. All right, brand new. All right, guys, here's your finished product. We have the Nismo LED taillights. You can see the little tail LEDs up in there, right there. And she is complete. Both cars done. Got the subwoofer in this trunk. I'm gonna put it all back together. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look over here at the other R34. Same thing. There's no LEDs. Gold badge. So, all right, cool. All right, guys, that wraps it up for today's video. Just wanted to show you guys these cool mugs that we got from Nissan. Got these nice little mugs. They say Nissan on the inside. And then on the back side, you see the cars. So, pretty cool. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, turn your post notifications on. Videos every day for a little bit. We got some content rolling out here, boys. Goodbye.